6 o'clock, a renewed sense of urgency in the fight against the pandemic with more than 21,000 new cases of COVID in just the past 3 days.
The state's percent positive at a record 16.5%, and more than 3,600 people are in the hospital. CBS 17 has team coverage tonight, and we begin with the surge in COVID cases coming after Christmas.
CBS 17 digital reporter Jody McCrary digging deeper into how fast those numbers are climbing.
We saw this, increase after the Thanksgiving holiday. I think we've long expected a similar thing based on the December holidays and Christmas and New Year's.
The COVID numbers in our state keep getting worse. 11 times in the past 15 days, a record number of COVID patients in hospitals. And in just the last 4 days, more than 30,000 new cases. That's caused the 7-day average of those cases to climb rapidly, as you can see on this chart. After Thanksgiving, it only took a week for that average to begin to shoot up. And then in just 4 days, it rose 25%. The same thing is happening after Christmas. It started climbing on New Year's Day, and over the next 4 days, it went up by more than 20%. Dr. Mark Holmes is the director of the Shep Center for Health Services Research at UNC. He's pointing to Wednesday as the day when we'll have a clearer picture of whether another spike is here.
I think it'll be a couple more days for us to settle down to numbers that we can really sort of look at and say, okay, this is a real pattern here. But I think given what we saw the last couple days, those are deeply concerning numbers.
Those case counts aren't rising at the same pace everywhere across North Carolina. In my story at CBS17.com, I look closer at the past week to find out which parts of the state saw the most new cases. For CBS 17 News, I'm Jody McCrary.